take such a risk, you must know, say. Yeah, life and that business, you must.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Hold on my calls.
We say hold on your calls.
Yeah. So today is Teachers Day. This will come out tomorrow. So today is the day after Teachers Day, I guess. And I'm a senior prefect, so my principal said I could dress up as a teacher. All the senior prefects, heads and deputies can dress up as teachers and
Deliver a speech.
So
you dress for your speech?
I'm not doing the speech. Ezon is doing the speech.
Okay.
I am doing the poem.
The poem. I'm sorry. The poem. Okay, poem master. Okay, Master John. You look dapper. Yeah. You look very dapper with a Gucci belt and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look nice, man. Come here, sweat.
Right, let me angle this way. Let me angle this way, sir. Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
Thank you very much.
Your head is sweating too, man.
No.
Yeah.
No, like when you have here, I absorb the sweat off the head.
I guess. Without ear, you just a sweat.
Yeah, come on, never did that shit before. We have ear.
Anyways, you ready now?
Yes, sis.
Maybe it's the jacket while you're sweating.
No, sis. I don't want jacket, man.
You just want to wear your jacket. Alright, get your bag and let's go.
Alright.
Pick up your lunch money. Yeah, pick up kind of bag there.
Alright.
Another your lunch money?
Not much.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Go get your bag and let's head out. That's stress.
That bag here too?
Yeah, I want it to carry. I buy stuff at market. Come on, sir.
Tea.
Get your lunch bag. Yo, give me your lunch bag. Get your school bag. You that salt?
That's salt.
Right, so you have a little gift for miss.
I just said when I salt like the brine.
Salt like the brine, boy.
And $50 man to my name, you know. And I keep it like Chris, look at it. Like it just come from the bank.
Chris.
Yeah.
At least you have 50 to your name. You're rich.
Yeah. 50 to my name.
Alright, yeah.
Anti-carry money?
Anti-carry money, $1,500 for anti-carry.
Alright, so I'm gonna put my lunch money right there, so. Then I put anti-carry money in the back.
Yeah.
So,
you have your Teacher's Day gift?
Yeah.
Yeah. And your mask?
I'm gonna see you in the night because I go come home late and I have to work. So, I'll see you in the night. Auntie Carrie have to pick me up though.
Yeah, Auntie Carrie will pick you up.
Alright.
Yeah, I not come home that night, man. I have a whole pile of things to do today.
Alright, sounding like big things I do. Alright.
Little things. Okay, ready? Put
Yeah,
it.
so one pin yesterday asked me, what me do? How trouble me?
Why?
I'm my head shave off. Then one next pit me, they ask, how your head clean so done? The disrespect.
The disrespect.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Let us see you.
Love you.
Love you too, see you.
What you do her?
Alright, see you. Remember that one time I the car turn and the door the open and the close it up quick and the guy did say, you're fast man, Biggs.
You say what, Biggs, you're fast?
Can't forget that. Alright, later see you.
Later, baby.
Alright, mom.
You know, I'm so proud of that young man, just so proud of him. But I think the most amazing thing about that young man is his self-confidence. Listen, that boy no business nobody want to say, no. That boy no business nobody want to say. He is going, as long as he's comfortable in himself, he is gonna come out and show up being comfortable in himself. And I think, and I'm tell him all the time, I say, that right there is your superpower. You believe in yourself. You believe in yourself, and you're gonna show up for yourself regardless of what anybody else say. That boy have a level of self-confidence that I did not have at that age. Me still not have it right now, and I'm a big old mid-30s. Hi, good morning. I don't have that level of self-confidence, and I am almost 40 years old. But that young man have a level of self-confidence. He is so confident in himself and confident in whatever decision he makes that it is somewhat contagious. Why am I not telling a lie? I pick the band different. Him band different. He don't care. Him just don't care. I was like, Reggie, you know, afraid people laugh at you? Why would they laugh at me? And even if they laugh at me, how does that matter? This is who I am. Sir said dress as a teacher, and I want to wear jacket. And I'm like, carry on, my love, carry on. And for career day, him always just as a businessman also. First he used to just as a doctor when he was younger. But has him grow older now, because him hate doctors now. Him just has a businessman because he said that he's gonna be a multimillionaire because he's gonna be a businessman. But I keep saying this to him though. Rajay, whatever you choose to be, you're gonna be great. You're gonna be great, because trust me, as me say, the pitney self-confidence and self-discipline is unmatched. I'm tell him, I said those are your greatest assets. Remember my older brother did tell me one time when I was younger, it's always stick with me. Him say, your best quality can also be your worst quality. So what is that? What is my best quality? He say, you are so determined. Like whatever you decide to do, you go just do it. But it can also be your worst quality. So ensure that whatever you push out to do, it is for good. It always stick with me, because you know that was the first time somebody highlight something like that inside of you. You know, when somebody ignites something, it kind of stick with you. My big brother did say it to me when I was younger. So now when I say it to him that his best quality is his self-discipline and his self-confidence, I hope that it stick with him as he grows older and he's gonna be a teenager next year. So I'm hoping that it stick with him as he, you know, traverse this life and make decisions and stuff like that. I hope that this level of confidence stay with him, because trust me, the truth is children, when they become teenagers, when they enter into that sphere and all this hormone and everything else that is happening with them, sometimes they lose themselves, and sometimes they become a total different person than they are. Sometimes it's for the best, and sometimes not so much. Sometimes they are led down path by friends and stuff like that. So I just want him to remain true to who he is, and whatever he chooses to be and whoever he chooses to be, it is because he chooses to be that person, because that's all you can ask for as a parent, you know. Super proud of the boy, super proud of him. I'm a sweetness, super proud of my Jojo. Yeah. He's going through so much, but him say him want go for the last couple of days when he can go. He's gonna go Friday, you know, him have chemo again, so him now go. But trust me, man, super proud of him for everything that he's going through, and now curl up in him bed. Super proud of him. This is a young man who say, alright mommy, pack my painkiller them and put them in my bag pocket. You understand what I'm saying? Super proud of him. Because some people would have curl up in them bed and just say, you know, I'm not feel good. me I feel pain there so, me I feel pain there so me nah go push out and me nah go do this and me nah go do that. But he has always maintained just this spirit of just light, and I am so proud of him, and I wish and I pray that God keeps him, and I'm sure that everybody else here echo that sentiment. God keep him. Keep him. Jesus. Okay guys, so we're running some errands today. Remember, I'm come on the internet the other day, I'm telling you say I missed my payment for my ticket. I got a ticket in Half a Tree, which me never deserved.
Half a Tree?
Yeah, Half a Tree me get
You
a
can't do it
ticket.
a Spanish Town?
Why me can't do it a Spanish Town? I feel back at Half a Tree.
So you remember, Lord Jesus.
But me not tell us say Half a Tree me get a
Me
ticket.
don't remember, you can't do it a Spanish Town.
So Half a Tree we have to
Half
go
a
back?
Tree quarter of go.
Me quick ask them.
Come ask them.
A Spanish Town you did get your ticket them?
Yeah,
All of your ticket
them? Them a Spanish Town. I'm telling you.
Allergies are act up. You know what I go on with it. Me think say I come from Spanish Town, I can do it over here.
Come from Spanish Town.
Yeah. One day me no want to go to town today. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah, have you seen you now? You have Julie? You see Julie? You see? You must see Julie? No, me not come on. Julie, here, girl. Yes. I want jellyfish Raji.
You still there?
No, I can't afford this thing. Oh. It's by the coconut for Raji, yeah, sir. Mango expensive. Expensive because of mango time. Guys, oh my God, I'm so glad that we got through and we did not have to go all the way to Kingston. Thanks be to God, you know. I'm really glad Sarah never right. Wait, he didn't come up and tell him he was not right. Because if he was correct, I had to go back to Half a Tree because that's where I got the ticket, right? So big up God for that. Really was wrong. Went to Spanish Town court office and I didn't get a date as yet, but they said that they would have contacted me to give me a date when to come in and make payment. Going in to do that. Hopefully they give me a really early time before I actually have to leave, because I did inform them that I'm leaving soon. So I would rather if I get through before I have to leave, because I wouldn't want to come back and then there's a bench warrant out for my arrest. Yeah, but we're gonna get some jellyfish Raji now. You know, you have no idea how much natural remedies are really good for you, and guys, you have to try and tap into that. Look into it. Coconut water, it's not just good for your heart, wash off your heart and stuff. It's good to keep your body in that state. What's happening, man? Where's your jelly, man?
Nothing.
You know that?
No, she don't left nobody.
No left nobody in charge? Oh, so where you go buy it up, a jelly lady?
Yeah. I don't understand him neither.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I was saying that drinking coconut water daily, it actually put your body in an alkaline state, and in an alkaline state cancer cells don't grow, right? So that is one thing that you guys need to look into. Alkaline diet and keeping your body in that state. I think that it works better for persons who have different type of cancer, but not necessarily for this type of cancer. It's natural. Yeah, because indeed always I do these things since him going to remission and the cancer still come back. But maybe it is what is helping to keep him in a, I don't know what you call a state here still.
Neutral?
Yeah.
No, increase.
No, yeah, like the tumors now grow and, you know, keep him up and him look nice and thing. So yeah.
Let's talk about that. Why not buy alkaline water?
By the alkaline water. Yeah.
Right, sit me whole about it instead of.
Oh, don't know which one they
So the alkaline water.
Yeah, I know for your town. It's a jelly lady there.
See?
Yeah, she's slightly more expensive, you know. Yeah. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I get some jelly, please? Cut them to carry here. I only jelly. You ever meet one jelly woman before? I only jelly woman, me know.
One of the side jelly woman.
Which
Never
one?
tell her.
Where?
Up on the same side going up to work. You see her one day with her two children.
Achoo.
And me tell her,
No, you're not
stop.
telling me, Mr. R.
Stop Van. I say, alright. I'm going to support her.
Yeah.
Attitude.
Yeah?
Attitude, I say, no, sir. I spend no more money here, sir. Never like attitude at all.
She must have a bad day.
Like me, I wonder.
That she give you attitude. Cause really, I'm so nice, no people. Really, I'm so nice. No matter what happen, I'm so nice.
That's a true thing.
She must have a bad day. If you understand, some people are people, you know? Yeah.
Worst thing, time hard.
Yes.
Time hard.
Time hard, you know?
Time hard. Differently, you know. Man.
Well, the same thing why so much persons trying to go across the border. That is the reason why so much persons are going across the border. Me hear say, when me just say to you off camera, with the young man with them find dead in Mexico. That is the saddest thing. Just put them on the floor for me, mommy, please.
Thanks.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Look. Alright. Yeah,
Hard, man.
time hard and things are increasingly difficult. So a lot of persons are leaving in search of a better opportunity. And me can't say me blame them.
If you blame me.
Can't say me blame them because things really tough out here. Things
And
really
it come
tough.
like, you know, talk politics,
No.
but you try to look where government are do.
Yeah.
And I think boy people are feel where government are do. In terms of help.
The
help
average
wise.
Jamaican.
Average Jamaican are feel
Yeah,
it.
average Jamaican, they rough.
No, I feel it.
Rough out here, man. We need support. We need support. Yeah.
No, I feel it. Average Jamaican not feeling what the government are do.
Fly. I'm flying here.
Terrible, man. Terrible.
Yeah. Why? So anybody who the people have to do what they have to do. Because only you understand your situation. Only you understand your circumstances. Only you understand.
The people that try run it. We are going to Mexico. Imagine you are going to Mexico.
Imagine if you go Mexico, you go sneak across the border.
Across the border.
Yeah, one different level. What you want, Jonah Lee Nesbeth? What Jonah Lee?
Yeah, we can't tap it, chat it.
She watch your vlog, you know? She watch your vlog and chat out. Oh, me not call her name, but we call her name. Yeah. So I was saying that people who are in that space where them reach the point where them know so them have to do that. To take such a risk. To take such a risk, you must know
Life
say.
and death business.
Yeah, life and death business,
life
you
and
must
death
come back.
business, you know, must come
You know, must come back.
Life and death, just imagine.
A life and death business, and the fact say you know say making this threat, you can die,
But
and you still you're
choose
willing to go.
Yeah.
Trust me. You don't take boy if you make them the decision.
You know, take boy if you make them the decision there. And a lie.
Rough man.
I said sometimes you still have to just give God thanks.
You have to give God thanks.
People out there in a
Worst situation than you. Yeah, absolutely.
Worst situation than you. Worst.
So true.
Wake up, you can't find little breakfast, you're putting them to go to school.
Yeah.
You can't find lunch money. What am I tell you? Cheap, I don't know. It's a weird one.
It's really hard, but we press on. And you have to keep God in it and just ask for direction as you go, you know? Yeah, man. And give thanks where you have.
Give thanks where you have.
You have to give thanks where you have because
people who can share to share.
share. Yeah.
People who can
share, share. And help out.
Yeah, man.
Help out somebody else, man. Help out somebody else.
People who can share.
because it is increasing the difficult. It's like day by day it gets even more worse.
It's harder.
Because you have work. And talk the truth, can you really afford your 3 children then we have to feed? No.
So just imagine a person who not work or who work minimum wage.
Minimum wage.
Just imagine that in a person who work
Minimum wage. Why?
Person who work minimum wage. Just
Tell
imagine.
you, man. It rough out here, boy. Yeah. Well, I guess that's where we leave you all. That's where we leave you all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to put God first in everything that you do. Until we see you again on Sunday, walk good. God bless y'all.
Turn it all around. You